Imagine a life where you can achieve anything you desire, a life filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment. The key to unlocking this incredible potential lies within a simple yet profound principle: silence. By embracing the power of silence, you can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Speech. I want you to close your eyes for a moment and picture a vast, serene lake. The surface is perfectly still, reflecting the beauty of the surrounding landscape like a pristine mirror. Now imagine yourself as that lake. When your mind is calm and silent, it has the capacity to reflect the brilliance of the universe, allowing you to tap into infinite wisdom and creativity. In our modern world, we are constantly bombarded with noise and distractions. The chatter of the external world can drown out the whispers of our own inner voice, but it is within the depths of silence that we can find the clarity and guidance we seek. When you learn to quiet your mind and listen to the stillness within, you open yourself up to a world of limitless possibilities. The practice of silence is not about withdrawing from life or shutting out the world around you. Rather, it is about creating a sacred space within yourself where you can connect with your true essence. It is in this space that you can discover your deepest desires, your most authentic self, and the path that will lead you to a life of purpose and fulfillment. One of the greatest benefits of cultivating silence is the ability to hear your own intuition more clearly. Your intuition is that small, still voice within that guides you towards your highest good. It is the compass that points you in the direction of your dreams and helps you navigate the challenges of life with grace and ease. When you learn to trust and follow your intuition, you align yourself with the flow of the universe, and doors begin to open in miraculous ways. Silence also allows you to develop a deeper sense of self-awareness. By quieting the external noise, you can begin to observe your own thoughts, emotions, and patterns of behavior with greater clarity. This awareness is the first step towards personal growth and transformation. When you become aware of the limiting beliefs and fears that hold you back, you can consciously choose to release them and adopt a more empowering mindset. In the silence, you can cultivate a profound connection with your inner wisdom and creativity. Some of the greatest ideas and innovations in history have been born in moments of quiet contemplation. When you allow yourself to be still and present, you tap into a wellspring of inspiration that lies within you. Ideas flow freely, solutions emerge, and your unique gifts and talents begin to shine through. The power of silence extends beyond the realm of personal growth and into the quality of your relationships as well. When you learn to be silent and fully present with others, you create a space for deep, meaningful connection. By listening attentively and holding space for others to express themselves, you foster a sense of trust, empathy, and understanding. Silence can be a powerful tool for healing and strengthening the bonds between individuals. In a world that often values constant activity and noise, the practice of silence may seem counterintuitive. But it is in the quiet moments that we can find the clarity, insight, and strength we need to navigate life's challenges and pursue our dreams with confidence and conviction. When you learn to embrace silence, you begin to trust in the unfolding of your own journey, knowing that every step is leading you towards your highest potential. Silence is not about waiting passively for things to happen. Rather, it is about creating a space within yourself where you can access the wisdom and guidance needed to take inspired action. It is about aligning yourself with the natural flow of life and trusting that everything you need will come to you at the perfect time and in the perfect way. As you cultivate the practice of silence in your life, you may find that synchronicities and opportunities begin to appear more frequently. You may notice that the right people, resources, and circumstances seem to show up just when you need them most. This is the magic of aligning yourself with the universal flow through the power of silence. The journey towards a life of abundance, success, and fulfillment is not always easy. There will be challenges, obstacles, and moments of doubt along the way. But when you anchor yourself in the stillness within, you develop the resilience and inner strength needed to weather any storm. You begin to trust in your own ability to overcome adversity and emerge stronger and wiser on the other side. One of the most beautiful aspects of silence is that it allows you to develop a deep sense of gratitude for the blessings in your life. When you take the time to be still and present, you begin to notice the small miracles that surround you every day. You develop a profound appreciation for the simple joys and beauty that often go unnoticed in the busyness of daily life. This gratitude opens your heart and attracts even more abundance and positivity into your experience. The practice of silence is a lifelong journey, one that requires patience, commitment, and a willingness to let go of the need for constant external stimulation. It may feel uncomfortable or challenging at first, but with time and practice, you will begin to experience the profound benefits of cultivating inner stillness. Start small by setting aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence. Find a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts and simply observe the flow of your breath. As thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them and let them pass without judgment or attachment. With each moment of silence, you are planting the seeds of transformation and growth. As you continue on this path, you may find that the practice of silence begins to permeate every aspect of your life. You may approach your work, relationships, and personal pursuits with a greater sense of clarity, purpose, and intention. You may find that you are more resilient in the face of challenges and more open to the opportunities that life presents. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. By embracing the practice of silence, you unlock the door to your own inner wisdom, creativity, and potential. Trust in the journey and know that every step you take in the direction of stillness is a step towards a life of true abundance and fulfillment. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and allow yourself to be enveloped in the profound peace of silence. Let it wash over you, filling you with a sense of calm, clarity, and connection to the infinite wisdom that resides within. From this place of stillness, you can begin to create the life of your dreams, one moment at a time. Embrace the power of silence and watch as your world begins to transform in miraculous ways. Trust in the journey and know that everything you seek is already within you, waiting to be discovered in the quiet depths of your own being. So be silent and let the magic of life unfold before you. As you continue to embrace the practice of silence, you may find that it becomes a sanctuary, a sacred space where you can retreat from the chaos of the world and reconnect with your inner self. In the silence, you can find solace, healing, and a renewed sense of purpose. It is a place where you can shed the layers of stress, worry, and self-doubt and emerge renewed and empowered. The power of silence extends far beyond the realm of personal growth. It has the potential to transform communities, societies, and even the world as a whole. When individuals come together in shared moments of silence, there is a profound sense of unity and connection that transcends language, culture, and belief systems. In the stillness, we recognize our common humanity and the inherent wisdom that binds us all together. Imagine a world where silence is valued and cultivated, where people take the time to listen deeply to one another and to the whispers of their own hearts. In such a world, conflicts could be resolved with greater ease as individuals approach one another with empathy, compassion, and a willingness to understand. Decisions could be made from a place of clarity and wisdom rather than reactivity and fear. And creativity and innovation could flourish as people tap into the infinite potential that lies within the stillness. Of course, the practice of silence is not always easy. In a world that is constantly vying for our attention, it can be challenging to carve out moments of quiet and solitude. There may be times when the silence feels uncomfortable, when the thoughts and emotions that arise are difficult to face. But it is in these moments of discomfort that the greatest growth and transformation can occur. When you find yourself resisting the silence, remember that it is a natural part of the process. Be gentle with yourself and approach the practice with curiosity and compassion. Allow yourself to explore the thoughts and feelings that arise without judgment or criticism. And trust that, with time and patience, the discomfort will pass, and you will emerge stronger and more resilient than before. As you deepen your practice of silence, you may find that it begins to influence the way you interact with the world around you. You may become more discerning about the information and stimuli into your life, choosing to focus on that which uplifts and inspires you. You may find that you are more present and attentive in your relationships, able to listen deeply and communicate with greater clarity and compassion. And you may discover a newfound sense of purpose and direction as you align yourself with the wisdom and guidance that emerges from within. The journey of silence is a lifelong one, a path of continual growth, discovery, and transformation. It is a path that requires courage, commitment, and a willingness to let go of the familiar and step into the unknown. But it is also a path that is filled with joy, wonder, and endless possibility. As you continue on this path, trust in the unfolding of your own unique journey. Know that every step you take, every moment of silence you cultivate, is leading you towards a life of greater meaning, purpose, and fulfillment. And remember that no matter what challenges or obstacles you may face along the way, the power to transform your life always lies within you. So, embrace the silence and let it be your guide. Let it lead you towards the life you have always dreamed of, a life filled with abundance, joy, and endless possibility. And know that in the stillness, you are never alone. You are connected to a vast web of wisdom, love, and support that is always available to you in every moment. As you move through your days, carry the practice of silence with you. Find moments of stillness in the midst of the busyness and chaos of daily life. Take a few deep breaths before entering a meeting or starting a new project. Pause to appreciate the beauty of a sunrise or the sound of bird song. And in those moments of quiet, allow yourself to be filled with a sense of peace, clarity, and connection. Remember that the practice of silence is not about perfection, but rather about progress. There will be days when the noise of the world seems louder than ever, when the challenges you face feel overwhelming and insurmountable. In those moments, be kind to yourself and trust that every step you take, no matter how small, is leading you in the right direction. And as you continue to cultivate silence in your life, know that you are not only transforming your own experience, but also contributing to the transformation of the world around you. Every moment of stillness you create ripples out into the universe, touching the lives of others in ways you may never know. So be a beacon of silence in a world that is often filled with noise and chaos. Lead by example and show others the power and beauty of cultivating inner stillness. And trust that as more and more people embrace the practice of silence, the world will begin to shift in profound and miraculous ways. The journey of silence is a beautiful one, filled with endless opportunities for growth, discovery, and transformation. It is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to trust in the unfolding of your own unique path. But it is also a journey that is filled with joy, wonder, and the promise of a life lived to its fullest potential. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let yourself be still. Allow the silence to envelop you, to fill you with a sense of peace, clarity, and connection. And know that in the stillness, you are exactly where you are meant to be, unfolding in perfect harmony with the universe around you. Embrace the power of silence and let it guide you towards the life of your dreams. Trust in the journey and know that every step you take is leading you closer to the abundance, joy, and fulfillment that is your birthright. And remember, in the silence, you are never alone. You are supported, guided, and loved always and forever. So be silent and watch as your world begins to transform in ways you never thought possible. Be silent and let the magic of life unfold before you, one beautiful moment at a time. Be silent and know that everything you seek is already within you, waiting to be discovered in the quiet depths of your own being. Embrace the silence and let it lead you home to the truth of who you are and the brilliance of all that you can be. And trust that in the stillness you will find everything you have ever needed and more than you ever dreamed possible.